Most nurses think PSIRF is just a new name for incident investigations in the NHS, but it's not. And if you approach it the same way as the old serious incident framework, you will get it wrong. Welcome to Dashing Depths Nursing Insights. In this video, I am going to break down what PSIRF actually means, why the NHS replaced the old system, and what this means for you in practice, whether you're at the bedside or moving into governance. Before PSIRF, we worked under the serious incident framework. On paper, it looked robust: investigations, reports, action plans. But in reality, it had problems. Too much focus on what went wrong and not enough on why it made sense at the time. Too many investigations that went nowhere, and often, if we're honest, a culture that still felt like blame. Staff were hesitant, documentation became defensive, and learning, it wasn't always embedded into practice. PSIRF means Patient Safety Incident Response Framework. It's not just a framework, it's a complete mindset shift. Instead of asking who is responsible, PSIRF asks, how did the system contribute to this outcome? It's built on key principles like just culture, system-based thinking, proportionate responses, continuous learning, and not just one-off investigation. Under PSIRF, not every incident leads to a full investigation. Instead, organizations choose the right responses. It could be a quick discussion, it could be a swarm, or an after-action review, or a full patient safety incident investigation. The goal is spend less time writing reports and more time learning and improving care. For nurses, this changes how you, 1, report incident, 2, participate in reviews, and 3, contribute to patient safety in general. You're no longer just providing statement, you are a part of understanding the system, such as staffing level, communication, environment, and human factors. Your voice becomes part of learning and not the blame. PSIRF isn't about doing more investigation, it's about doing the right ones in the right way. And if it's done properly, it actually has the potential to improve patient safety and not just document it. In the next video, I will break down the NHS patient safety strategy and how it underpins everything in PSIRF. Keep listening to Dashing Depths Nursing Insights.